I'll teach you how to replace the ceiling mold. In the downside, have two screws. You need to loosen the screw. Then you can take the ceiling mold out. Then you can see the ceiling mold will be like this. This is the digits. You need to fix the digits in here. Make it flat. After fixing the new digits, you need to install the ceiling mold back to the ceiling station. And fix the upper. These two are the upper screw for fix the ceiling mold. If you want to make the coating side in this side, you can change this ceiling mold in this side. It's okay. It's the same. If you change to the fixed mold, also the same time to loosen, change this screw, and these two can be taken out. You can see loosen these two big screw, then can take this ceiling mold out.